when you look up at the ceiling, there's some of the texture has come down. Not entirely sure why, but that will need to be corrected sometime.
I carefully took the loose pieces off around it to prep.
Okay, so I've mixed the drywall mud with some water to make it look similar to the link. It's not quite as runny, but it's much more than, yeah, like a thick pancake batter, I guess.
So after prepping the patch and removing all the loose stuff, this was my attempt to patch this spot. I just continued to play until I thought it would blend enough, knowing that once it was painted, it probably wouldn't be as noticeable. Patching holes in walls is much easier than trying to do a ceiling texture. So you can leave it to the pros.
All right, this is what the patch looks like after it's dried. It's ready for paint. I think it'll blend in fine enough. Look better than it did. It's a big ugly patch. But you can clearly see that the ceiling here definitely does not look very nice. Now I'm ready to start rollering. Now, this goes on pink, but it dries white. Okay, ran into a snag. As I'm rollering it on, you know I did a patch job on this side. And actually, I think that when the paint dries, it's gonna look pretty good. I'm putting the paint on the rest of the ceiling. It looks pretty bloody good, I gotta say. But as I was coming along over here, part of the ceiling texture came down. What the hell? So what I'm gonna do is just continue on with that first coat of paint. As I continued to try to finish the paint, I got more that came off. So, what do? What a pain in the ass.
So this is what the bathroom ceiling is looking like lately. Kind of gross. Keeps falling down. Ceiling kit just kept coming off with the paint. So I stopped and I've been debating on what to do.